Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise benendodana nomoya ocebileyo. Today I would like us to reflect on the Gospel of John chapter 13 from verses 1 to 11. We are looking at the Gospel of John chapter 13 verses 1 to 11. Now, before the feast of the Passover, when Jesus knew that his hour had come to depart out of this world to the Father, having loved his own who were in the world, he loved them to the end. And I just want to talk about that. He knew that the time had come to live. He knew that the time had come for him to depart and go back to the Father. And the most beautiful line for me, having loved his own who were in the world, he loved them to the end. Having loved his own who were in the world, he loved them to the end. Wayebathandile abakhe abasezweni wabathanda kwaze kwaba sekupheleni. I think one of the most beautiful attributes about God is that he has loved us. And he continues to love us. And he will always love us. And I just want to remind each and every one of us that we have been loved by God. He has always loved us and he will always love us. Having loved his own who were in the world. Ngiyazazi ezami nezami ziyangazi. And I look at this uthando lomzali. Umzali uyayithanda ingane yakhe. Umzali uyifisela okuhle ingane yakhe. And angifisi ukuba umzali kube khona usuku la athi ngangimthanda usibanibani kodwa wangigila. Yabona ithandwa zami angikwazi njengomzali ukuvumela leso simo sokuthi angisamthandi loya ngenxa yezenzo zakhe. Angiphiki ukuthi umntwana angahlupha. Angiphiki ukuthi umntwana angakufaka einkingeni, angakufaka einkulumweni. Kodwa njengomzali awukwazi ungamthandi umntana wakho. Yebo, angiyithandi izinto azenzayo. Kodwa yena ngiyamthanda. Angiyithandi izinto ayihlanganisa nazo. Kodwa yena ngiyamthanda. Awukho umgqomo wokulahla umntwana. I can never have a former child. I can never have an ex-child. Ingane yami isipho esivela kuNkulunkulu. Ukuthi iyafika kanjani ngesimo esinjani, phekwesigameko esinjani, kodwa the bottom line, this is my gift from God. And this gift one day I must present it to God. Ingakho ithandwa zami ngokweqiniso angikwazi ukuba ngingazonda ingane yami. Angikwazi ukuthi ngingadicilela phansi impilo yengane yami. Ngoba ingane yami isipho esivela kuNkulunkulu. And nginesibopho phambi kukaNkulunkulu ekukhuliseni umntanami, ekuthandeni umntanami. Having loved his own, he loved them to the end. Will they disappoint us? Yes. Will they hurt us? Yes. Will they cause us pain? Yes. Should we stop loving them? No. Because by sipho esivela kuNkulunkulu. Having loved his own, he loved them to the end. During supper, when the devil had already put it into the heart of Judas Iscariot, Simon's son, to betray him, Jesus, knowing that the Father had given all things into his hands, and that he had come from the Father and was going back to the Father, he rose from supper. He laid aside his outer garments, and taking a towel, he tied it round his waist. Then he poured water into a basin and began to wash the disciples' feet and to wipe them with the towel that was wrapped round his waist. Ngiyayithanda le ndaba ayixoxayo uJohannes. One of his own had allowed the devil to steal his heart. And Jesus knew that. But he does not stop loving him. He does not stop serving them. He does not stop being who he was. Uyangithinta mina la umntaka Maria. Uyazi ukuthi oyedwa wabo akangifuni. Oyedwa wabo is plotting against me. Oyedwa wabo will use any opportunity to destroy me. It doesn't let that affect him. He knows, and I presume he's hurt by it. He's saddened by it. But he still loves them. Having loved his own, he loves them even though they don't like him. And if you go to the Gospel of John, you soon realize that this concept of rejection was very real in the life of Christ. I mean, from the first chapter, he came to his own and his own rejected him. And the 13th chapter, you still see this. Yabona ithandwa zami kuneminye imndeni la umuntu ezokutshela khona ukuthi mina abakaze bangithanda la ekhaya. Abakaze baba nendaba nami. Abakaze bafuna ukwazi ngami. Uthola ukuthi uyagula, akekho onomnako. Akekho nofuna ukwazi ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. And you realize ukuthi no one really cares that much. Or if they do, it's not that deep. Kodwa ngibuka amandla kaJesu ehleli with his friends, with his family, with his colleagues, with the people he has trusted his life with. And Judas has allowed the devil to come between him and his master. Now, the other thing is, I can also become Judas. Anyone can become Judas. I can easily entertain the devil. I vele usibanibani uyabheda. I vele usibanibani usijwayela kabi. I vele usibanibani akayazi into ayenzayo. I vele thina we can do better than this. Anything that threatens unity is not of God. Anything that destabilizes the plan of God is not of God. And sometimes we can entertain it. Sometimes knowingly, sometimes unknowingly. Ingakho kubalekile ukuthi from time to time we ask ourselves, what is the plan of God for me in this situation? What is the plan of God for me amongst these people? What is the plan of God for me at this time, at this venture in my life? What am I meant to be doing? What am I meant to be doing with this person? Dibuka uJudasi, who's allowed his hunger, who's allowed his longing, who's allowed his love of money to get the better of him. And sometimes we allow ifiso zethu to get the better of us. We allow our lust to get the better of us. We allow our greed to get the better of us. Khona abantu engithi bottomless, bawumgodi ongagcwali. Khona abantu abanenkinga yongasuthi. Khona abantu abanenkinga yokuhlezi befuna izinto abaneli. And omunye uzuthi kodwa kuba usibanibani wadla wasutha owathatha wahamba ngabe mhlambe wasinda. But because wafuna ukuxoxa wabuya wazoxoxa ulinyazo ukuthi ube nomona. Ushawe umona wakhe. Ubezwa abantu bethi usibanibani ushawe isilwane sakhe. Kunalento ngimina evukayo. Jesus knew, and yet he loved them. And inalento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo emndenini. Unenhlanhla, unesibusiso uma kuukuthi niyazwana ezumndeni. Ninenhlanhla, ninesibusiso uma ukuthi ezumndeni you are united. Imndeni eminingi ayihlangene. Imndeni eminingi yama clicks. Imndeni eminingi ayizwani. Imndeni eminingi yazondana. Kodwa kunalento uNkulunkulu asibizela yona. Inkonzo yothando. Inkonzo yokuthanda omunye umuntu. And lolu thando lujulile because it is love in action. I am called to love in action. I am called to express my love in action. I am called to express my compassion in action. I am called to serve God in the love of my neighbor and my friends. And le tension ebasemakhaya uyayithola nasemasontweni nasemabandleni. That there are cliques, that there are groups. Kunabantu abangafunani, kunabantu abazondanayo, kunabantu abangabhekani. You find this even at work. Kunabantu who cannot stand each other. And dear brothers and sisters, hating is too much. It is too much of a job. When you hate someone, everything inside of you must file something that reviles them about this person. Hating is too much. We are not called to hate. We are not called to hate. We are called to love. Kuna lento uNkulunkulu asibizele yona, inkonzo yokuthanda, inkonzo yokwamukela. Ngiyafisa ukuthi mina namhlanje sike sibuka abantu that we find difficult to love. We find difficult to accept. We find difficult to work with. We find difficult to be associated with. Simcela uNkulunkulu, Nkosi ngiyacela kulonyaka ungiphe uthando lokuthanda usibanibani. Kunalento uNkulunkulu asibizela yona ijulile. Loving is easier than hating. Loving comes naturally, but to hate demands a lot. It demands that my demeanor must be different. It demands that my attitude must be different. It demands that I must exert so much energy, and it is unnatural. Having loved his own in the world, he loved them even when he knew they hated him. Kunale nkonzo yokuthanda. Uthande abantu baze bayitshela ukuthi uyisilima. Uthande abantu baze bayitshela ukuthi awuboni. Uthande abantu baze bayitshela ukuthi bayadlala ngawe. And that's what we are called to do, to love. He does something unique. His love is love not just in action, but also in service. He puts something around his waist and he takes the bowl of water and he wants to wash them. Khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivezayo, inkonzo yokusigeza, inkonzo yokusihlambulula, inkonzo yokususa ukungcola kwethu. Kunezinto ezimbalwa ezibalekile engifisa ukuzibheka. Yabona sisebancane sisasesikoleni, kuyake kube khona usuku la othisha bezohamba bebheka la emva kwamashirt ethu, bebona ukuthi hey leli shirt linje, hayi lo muntu unensile engaka, hayi lo muntu akasagezi. Thola ukuthi bazos encourage ukuthi ayibo akuve kubalekile ukugeza. They will speak about hygiene, the importance of keeping yourself clean. And lokhu sakufunda sisebancane indaba yokuyogeza. But namhlanje I also want to emphasize spiritual hygiene. Spiritual hygiene. Kubalekile ukuba spiritually sibe clean. Kubalekile ukuba spiritually sihlanzeke. And umuntu nomuntu uyazazi izinto ezimngcolisayo. Umuntu nomuntu uyazazi izinto ezidala asindelwe. Umuntu nomuntu uyabazi abantu athi mehlangana nabo azibone esengcolile. Umuntu nomuntu uyazazi indawo athi meya kuzona azibone esengcolile. Thandwa zami, awukwazi ukuba nesilwane esinamakhizane namazenze, fleas, wena uhambe uyombatha uhlale endlini yayo and expect not to be affected by those fleas. Angikwazi ukuhlala endaweni engcolile enodaka and not be expected ukuthi nami ngizobuya nodaka. Yaye ubone abantu abadala uma kuukuthi belina izulu or whatever ebisemnyango inongcola, before ungene emnyango endlini makade cleanwa bewubekelwa umata ukhaphethi, sula inyawo ungangeni nongcola kwakho la endlini. Kunento engifisa ukuyibuka ngikhulume ngayo kancane. Ekhaya la kwakho wenza kanjani ukuthi ukungcola kwangaphandle kungangeni ekhaya lakho? Wena mhlambe njengomzali uyaqikelela, kodwa what kind of carpet obekayo ukuthi ke abantwana bakho uma kuukuthi bebeyodlala odakeni abalingenisi lolu daka emzini wakho? Yini oyenzayo ukuthi abakuvakashele abangenisi udaka abasuka nalo emzini wakho? Kunalento lena ekuthiwa umuhlwa eWoodboro, ukuthi uma nginayo endlini yami ekhaya lami, it is very easy to transport it into another location because I carry that. Mangilokhu ngihamba nayo nginyathela iyanamathela eyintweni zami, and I can easily carry it from one room to the other room, from one house to the other house. Uqikelela kanjani ukuthi ungcola kwakuloya muzi kungangeni lana? Thandwa zami, we are very good at taking care of our houses, of our homes. Siyayicleana, sifaka bleach, or domestos, or jiki, or pine gel, and you know we do all those things to make sure which is clean. But spiritually, all those things are done materially, but spiritually. So imbuzo engibuza iti, what is it that you do to prevent? But also, what is it that I do? Ukuhlambulula ngoba udaka sengiyalibona selukhona. Kwesinye isikhathi bazongena abantu bahlale kade kugunda utshani, how uyarealize ukuthi how osibani bashiya utshani babo la phansi obade behleli kwi-couch uyabona ukuthi bahlale snacks bashiya izinto zinjalo, and emva kwalokho uyaqoqa uyalungisa. Now we can do this on the physical level. Spiritually, what do you do? Jesu namhlanje uyabahlambulula. And so namhlanje okusele kumina ukubuza amandla kaNkulunkulu ukuba Nkosi sisize, Moyo Ngcwele sisize ukuba usihlambululele, ukuba usilethele amandla, ukuba lokungcola osekufike ekhaya lami. Uyabona kunale nkonzo engithintayo, kunalezi igameko esizibonayo bekuthulekile la ekhaya, bekunokuthula phakathi kwethu, kodwa ngokuvumela usibanibani, ngokuvumela lesi simo, ngokuvumela lesigameko, ukuthula kwethu has been disturbed. Ngiyayifisa mina lenkonzo yokuba simcela uNkulunkulu asilethele ukuthula kwakhe. Uyangimangaza uJesu uma ebahlambulula. Uyangimangaza uJesu uma ebageza. Uyabona sisebancane abazali bethu babesithatha basibeke la basigeze, baqinisekisa ukuthi ngizomgeza umntwana wami. Noma sekukhona abagulayo, umndeni uyaqinisekisa ukuthi angimsize usibanibani akasenawo amandla okuyigeza. Sisebancane sifundiswa ukuwasha, sasiyiwashela, kodwa kube khona ihlo lomuntu omdala, isandla somuntu omdala esibonayo ukuthi awuqinisisanga la, mhlambe athi awuqinisise la, kodwa naye kwakuba khona la ethi angiqinise phela ngoba mina ngimdala. I speak about spiritual hygiene. Kunezimo, kuneyindawo, kunabantu ongenzeka basingcolise, ongenzeka sibangcolise. Uyabona, I'm always fascinated by eyibhedlela. Khona ama-ward, yo ICU, yo bani high care, ingane ezincane engavumelekile ukungena khona ngoba their immune system is not as strong. And we can learn something from there. We can learn something from there. Kukubalulekile ukwazi ukuthi my spiritual immune is not strong enough to stand with that person. My spiritual immune system is not strong enough ukuthi ngene kuleya ndawo. Khona inkonzo yokuyinqabela, khona inkonzo yokubaleka, khona inkonzo yokuthi not today, not now, not under these circumstances. Uyabona khona inkonzo engikhumbula kumakhehla amadala nezalukwazi ezindala enkonzweni kaNkulunkulu, uma kufanele mhlambe kuthiwa asike sivakashe kuloya muzi kuyokhulekwa, akuke kuvakashwe kuloya muzi khona izinto eziyokwenzeka, ubona amakhehla amadala nezalukwazi ezindala bethi mntanami, before siye laphana asike sibambe ibhande siyocela amandla kaNkulunkulu. That is what I'm talking about. Khona mase sifika laphana noma ngathiwa hlobo luni lwesimo esihlangana nalo, isimo esaziyo ukuthi uNkulunkulu usesimbathisa amandla amasha. Noma ngathiwa hlobo luni lwesigameko esingenzeka, asifike sesazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu has spiritually prepared us and spiritually fed us ukuthi we can withstand any other attack. Yangithinta indaba kaJesu lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, he rose from supper wafuna ukubageza izinyawo. Then he poured water into the basin and he began to wash the disciples' feet and to wipe them with a towel that was wrapped around him. He came to Simon Peter, who said to him, Lord, do you wash my feet? Jesus answered, what I am doing to you now, you do not understand, but afterwards you will understand. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu azenzayo empilweni zethu that we don't need to understand, that don't have to make sense. Kuningi uNkulunkulu azokwenza empilweni yakho nasempilweni yabantwana bakho nasempilweni yomndeni wakho that may not make sense now, and it is okay. I understand ukuthi why I had to go through this. I understand ukuthi why abantu abami have to be like this. Kodwa wena Nkosi ngoba uyazi, wena Nkosi ngoba unecebo, wena Nkosi ngoba uneplan, I'm okay with that. It doesn't have to make sense in order for me to accept. Ngimisele ukumethemba uNkulunkulu. Ngimisele ukumlalela uNkulunkulu. Khona inkonzo ekumele sifunde, inkonzo yokungaphikisani necebo likaNkulunkulu, inkonzo yokudedela uNkulunkulu abe uNkulunkulu empilweni zethu. It doesn't have to make sense. To Jesu kuPetrus uthi mfana wami, you will not understand what I'm doing to you now. Ngeke understand izimo obhekene nazo zonke. Ngeke ube namandla okumelana nezimo obhekana nazo zonke, but it is okay. I don't have all the answers, and that's okay. Uthi Jesu, you do not understand what I am doing to you right now, but afterwards you will understand. Peter said to him, you shall never wash my feet. Jesus answered him, if I do not wash you, you have no share in me. And I wish you can take that as your word for today. Lord, if you do not wash me, I can never have a share in your kingdom. Nkosi, uma ungangihlanzi, anginasabelo empilweni yakho. Lord, if you do not wash me, I do not have a share in your life. That's your word for today. Lord, if you do not wash me, I do not have a share in your life. Nkosi, uma ungangihlambululi anginasabelo empilweni yakho. Asho njalo uDavide ngelinye ilanga athi ngigeze Nkosi ububi bami, ngihlanze izono zami. Oh, wash me away from my sin and cleanse me from my guilt. Lord, if you do not wash me, I do not have a share in your life. Nkosi, uma ungangihlanzi anginasabelo empilweni yakho. Athi uDavide, if you, O Lord, do not wash away my iniquity and cleanse me from my sins. Nkosi, uma ungangihlanzi anginasabelo. Siyayiswela lenkonzo yokuba neqiniso phambi kaNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi ngicela ungihlambulule. Nkosi, hlanza ulimi lami angikhulumanga kahle. Hlanza inhliziyo yami angenzanga kahle. Hlanza ingqondo yami ngidlinzeka kabuhlungu. Hlanza amadle bami ngilalele okungcolisayo. Hlanza amehlami ngibuke okulichilo kuwena. Hlanza umlomo wami ngikhulume okujivaza umoya ongcwele. Ngihlanza uqobo lwami ngoba kwamina sengikhohliwe ukuthi ngiligugu elingakanani kuwena. Nkosi, angikhulumanga kahle. If you, O Lord, do not wash me, I have no share in your kingdom. Ngigeze Nkosi ububi bami. Ngihlanze izono zami. Ngigeze Nkosi la ngingenzanga khona kahle. Hlambulula mina, uhlambulule nezono zobusha bami. Hlambulula mina, uhlambulule nezono ezehlela kubantwana bami. Hlambulula mina, uhlambulule nobumnyama engibulethile emndenini wami. Hlambulula mina, uhlambulule nabantu engibalethile ekhaya lami. Othola ukuthi namhlanje silimele ngoba mina ngaletha abantu bobumnyama emagcekeni asekhaya. Hlambulula mina, uhlambulule nezinto abayishiyayo bethi bayasiza. Hlambulula mina, uhlambulule nezinto abayishiya sithi siyajabula sonke siba nento esifuna ukuyenza njengabangani kanti sengiletha ukufa phakathi kwekhaya. Yabona ithandwa zami, if we are honest with ourselves, kunezimo, kunezigameko, kunabantu, kunezinto esazenza. Kodwa in looking back we realize ever since kwenzeka ukuthi la ekhaya our lives have never been the same. Ever since you introduced so and so into our lives have never been the same. Ever since so and so did this, ever since ayiswa lapha, our lives have never been the same. Ever since senze ukuthi, our lives have never been the same. Ngihlambulule Nkosi. Ngigenze Nkosi. Susa ubube enhlizweni yami nasemndenini wami. Ngegama likaYise, Indodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.